Facials are basically any kind of skin care treatment specifically meant for the face. It involves massage, exfoliation, creams, extractions and facial masks and is common in salons and spas. There are many health and beauty companies that focus on processing essential natural ingredients used for facial treatments, and these ingredients provide facial improvement and enhance the smoothness of the face. However, there are natural ways by which the hidden toxins, harmful ingredients and chemical effects on the outermost parts of the body, specifically the face, can be treated. Just the same way salons do facial treatment with commercially obtained products, you can as well apply the natural ingredients following the procedures below to bring out the real beauty in you. Listed below are some of the natural ingredients that can be used for facial treatments: apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, avocado, aloe vera, argan oil, sea salt, tea tree oil, lemon essential oil, castor oil, shea butter, almond oil, jojoba and raw honey. 1. Facial cleansing. Before you do your facial cleansing, you have to wash your face in order to remove your makeup completely. Some makeup such as mascara, concealer and foundation can be washed off totally by dissolving with an oil-based cream and washing off with lukewarm water. Once you are done with washing off the makeup, follow the steps provided below to cleanse the face. Get a teaspoonful of castor oil mixed into 1/4 of almond or coconut oil. Rub it thoroughly on the face and after some seconds wash it out with lukewarm water to clean out impurities on the face. 2. Facial scrubbing, exfoliating. This involves the stage of removing the dead cells on the skin, which also includes the remaining dirt that was not removed during the cleansing process, and is advised to do this at least once a week. One good thing about this natural facial exfoliating is that the ingredients are obtainable everywhere and they are quite inexpensive and works even better. There are several methods for exfoliating, which includes but is not limited to the options below. 1 tablespoon of organic sugar cane or granulated sugar, 1 to 2 drops of lemon, orange or lavender oil and a little water to make the mixture a bit thick. Mix them together in a neat container using the tip of your finger. Rub nicely on the face and be careful in order not to penetrate into the eyes. Then rinse with cold water and dry with a towel after 20 minutes. Alternative natural ingredients for scrubbing are 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of raw, local honey, half fresh lemon, half granulated sugar. Then mix. Apply and clean, or get 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil mixed together. Clean the face very well, then apply it on the face and neck area smoothly. After a minute, rinse with warm water and dry it off. 3. Facial massage. This method is also another natural treatment that can be applied on the face to make it look more beautiful and captivating. There are several ingredients and their different method of blending for facial massage. A. Get 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera gel freshly extracted from the leaves, a small piece of ripe pawpaw, 1 slice of seedless orange and 1 piece of strawberry or its alternative, 3 to 4 grapes. Blending. Use a blender to mix up the ingredients to obtain fine pulpy cream for your daily facial massage. B. Get 1 teaspoon of milk cream, curd or plain yogurt, a small piece of ripe banana, a slice of peeled mango and 4 drops of vitamin E oil. Mash in a clean bowl or blend completely to get a smooth paste, then add the spoonful milk cream and piece of banana to get your natural face massage cream ready for use. C. Facial massage can as well be done using lemon juice, tomato juice and glycerin. Mix the same quantity of the 3 ingredients together and apply gently on the face for massage to remove dirt. D. Another is orange facial massage, which is done by boiling peeled orange slices in little quantity of water for up to 10 minutes. Allow it to cool, then sieve it gently and use for facial massage. 4. Steaming. Steaming is another method of facial treatment with natural ingredients. It helps to relax the facial skin and give it a beautiful styling look. Additionally, it allows the skin to release a wide variety of toxins and carcinogens. This can simply be done using this method. A. Boil a clean water, then place a towel over your head to close to the pot of hot water so that the steam reaches the face quickly. Do not put your face very close to the hot water. B. Then lean over the pot or bowl for 5 to 10 minutes to steam your face. Blow into the pot from time to time to let out more vapor as the steam gets cold. 5. Face mask. Face masking is a very important treatment that helps to tighten pores on the face, hydrate the skin of the face, remove impurities, tone the skin, nourish, refresh and then keep skin pores neat so as to allow penetration of moisturizing ingredients to penetrate well into the skin, and should be done on weekly basis, twice as the case may be. Before doing this, make sure that you have steamed your face so that it can absorb some nutrition involved in face masking. There are several natural methods, but you can choose one depending on what you want and your skin type. Application of egg white is the simplest. Break an egg, extract the egg white, whisk with a fork until it foams very well. With the use of your fingers, apply the egg white on the face. Immediately after the application, place tissue paper on the face to make a mask, then leave it for an hour. Then peel the mask and wash your face with cold water. Other natural ingredients and their methods of application for face mask are: cinnamon and honey. Get 1 teaspoonful of honey and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, mix until it foams, then apply on the face and leave it overnight. Wash the next morning with warm water. Banana, lemon, and honey. Get 1 teaspoon of honey, up to 10 drops of lemon juice, a banana, and a tissue. Peel the banana and mash very well in a clean bowl. Add exactly 10 drops of lemon and 1 spoon of honey. Stir very well until it becomes very silky, then rub on the face and allow it for just 20 minutes. Wash with cold water and dry with your tissue. Egg white, avocados, and lemon juice. Mash half quantity of avocado pulp in a neat small basin. Add lemon juice and egg white and blend very well until it becomes smooth. Apply on the face, leave it for 20 minutes, then wash with warm water and dry your face. 6. Whitening facial at home. Whitening facial is one of the methods that can be used to tone and brighten the complexion. It helps to remove dead cells, skin darkening, acne, premature aging and dullness on the face. Some natural ingredients used in homemade products for skin whitening are milk, honey, papaya and sandalwood powder. Do not forget that before applying a facial treatment that the face has to be washed, as we explained earlier. In fact, before you apply whitening facial, ensure that your face has undergone any of the 5 tips listed above. At this juncture, you can prepare your natural whitening facial pack, which takes a few steps and ingredients such as sandalwood powder, rose water or milk. For dry skin, get a mixture of 2 teaspoonfuls of milk and sandalwood powder, apply it on the thick layer of the face. Allow mixture to dry on the face before washing it out, then apply some toning cream on the face after you must have washed the whitening pack. For oily skin, mix 2 teaspoonfuls of sandalwood powder with rose water very well in a clean bowl, then follow the same steps used for dry skin. 7. Facial extraction. This involves the act of squeezing a giant spot or pimples on the face. It's another facial treatment which most of us do, but we actually do this in a very wrong way. People suffer from chronic acne, which must have caused inflammation on the face as a result of popping the pimples in a wrong way. Provided below are some important measures of doing this. Steam the skin to get softened and clear out some bacteria or toxins on the skin. Apply a bioactive purifying face mask on the areas where the face has been affected with acne. Rinse off with warm water after the mask must have dried up on the face area. Use medical gloves or round tissue paper round the index finger before popping pimples on the face, as bare fingers add the different strain of bacteria to the blemishes on the face. Place the tip of the finger in a C-shaped form into the tissue and break the pimples. Clean with little hydrogen peroxide and apply acne treatment cream on the surface area when it must have stopped oozing out fluid or blood. 8. Homemade chemical peel recipe. Peels is another kind of natural face treatment that helps to improve and smoothen the texture of the skin. Facial peeling removes the outermost layers of the skin, and the results which occur as wound healing is what regenerates new tissues and eventually peels off the dead skin. When naturally made chemical peels are used, the regenerated skin is usually smoother and less wrinkled compared to the old skin. The ingredients needed to make this natural chemical are: 1 small seeded cucumber, 1 package or tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, few drops of a natural meat tenderizer or half teaspoon of powdered meat tenderizer, 1 dash ground of cinnamon and water. Steps: put the cucumber inside a neat container and sprinkle with the gelatin. If it fails to dissolve, add water in it. Inside the mixture prepared in step I above, sprinkle meat tenderizer and cinnamon, then stir up the mixture. Combine very well while the gelatin dissolves and become pasty. Spread the mixture on the face and allow for 15 to 20 minutes to dry very well. When it must have dried well on the face, start from the jaw to peel slowly from the face. Rinse off and apply moisturizer. The face is a sensitive part of the body and is always exposed to sunlight and unfriendly atmosphere, so it is important to apply natural ingredients for the facial treatment at least once in a week in order to maintain a smooth and moisturized face. A smooth face. And these natural ingredients will save you unnecessary expenses of buying packaged chemicals from the market which may react to your skin and damage the face. Any natural ingredient you mix for the face must be used on the back of your hand or any other part of the body and be left there for few seconds to ensure that it doesn't react to your skin before using it on the face. Facials are one of the most essential skin care regimens as it really works down deep to reach into the pores on the face to open them up, make the face smoother and prettier. But one has to be mindful of the kind of face wipes or substances used in cleaning up the face before applying the natural ingredients.